Oh, I've talked to him. He's ready to burn bridges, you know? And that could be you, you know? Are you watching this video right now? You probably burned a bridge with Preston Rampy, but he didn't care. He's got a rock on the woman's finger, and that's all that matters. I get around, round, 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 I get around, round, round, I get around.
Fine, because right before the end of it, we all go down, and then when they come up, they grab their hat, and they go like this, so I'm like, all right, when I'm down there, I'm just going to grab my hat, you know, and I'll get right back on track. So we go down, so I grab, right, and then we come up, and they go, boys. So I go, oh, just
fighting the flame, and we're driving away.
Service, send on her.
Service, send on her.
Preston, can we win? Can we win? Let me hear you roar like a grizzly bear, Haven! Break the door!
I think we're just going to go down the row and we'll each do it one by one. That way we can figure out who it is.
Will! Get it right!
We're not here for fame, not here for fame.
Ride down the pole to get my gear on. Someone grab the ladder, the axe.
I'll sit right back and hear a tale of...
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Around, get around, oh, I get around, round, 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 I get around, round, round, I get around, get around, oh, I get around, round, 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 I get around, round, round, I get around, round, round, I get around, round, I get around. And hear a tale of ladder 68.
Now you can stand here and just bob your head and laugh at me if you think this is funny.
Around I get, around I get, around is burning down.
The beginning of round, get around.
$10 is Zim's gone in 5 minutes.
Okay. Let's try it. My voice is raising.
You okay? Like, I did the same thing earlier. I live with my dad. Maybe we should go back to practice.
Get this off of me! Get this off of me! Get this off of me!
Personally, I voted for Teague, but I think Rob's running the show right now instead of Preston, but I guess it doesn't really matter because they all suck.
Wow. I need full setup because y'all are dragging it way down. It sounds awful.
Take a look at behind me with Brian Mack. Check out what he's doing. Hey, let me guess. Arms crossed, looking cool. Am I right? No. Hanging out, legging.
Who's the director this year?
I don't know.
Do you know who the director? Do y'all know who the director is?
I mean, I really think D should be standing out there, honestly.
On the fly, it's okay. Y'all don't have to be super loud. Y'all hit that and all of a sudden it's good. Go to full speed.
Laying back, hey, get this. I'm gonna squirt water in his back, and he's gonna be like, what the hell? And you're like, I don't know.
Yeah!
Is he turning? Is he turning? He's not turning. He doesn't even know.
Or what you can do is get in the freaking saddle and roll on this.
Water. What? What water? What water?
Whose water was that? That's on my back.
I don't have water. I'm helping!
It's not going to be any different this year. You got that? Yeah!
Hey, I'm not gonna say it. Could have been Rose Bowl.
Hey,
Show us, guys. Show us.
Hey, let's look around. This. Who's the caper? Who's the caper? I bet it was Roseball. Look at him. It was him. Look at him.
John Bruder! John Bruder! Stop me! Stop me!
I wish it was urine. Just between me and you.
Henry Troy! Henry Mason!